this skin brightening soap. It's carrot basing soap. It removes skin blemishes. A moisturizer and a skin glow soap. Welcome guys to my channel. The unique and healthy recipes. Let's learn how to make carrot basing soap. You are going to like this video. These are all you need for today's video. Carrots. Soap base of your choice. Vitamin E. Coconut oil. Fragrance. Great carrots. Set it aside, please. Grate or slice the soap base. Double heat the soap base this way. Allow it to melt. Extract the carrot juice. Juice. Add vitamin E. Add coconut oil. Add fragrance. Stir very well. You have to be fast before it solidifies. Fill into your mold. Do you like this video? Please give it thumbs up. Please subscribe. Feel free to ask questions. Drop your comments below. Leave it to sit for about 3 hours. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, please. Bye.